Hi guys, my name is Jacob McLaughlin. I'm the strength and conditioning coach here at Amore Soccer. And I want to go over how to foam roll today because especially with all you guys playing soccer, you're getting tight muscles, you're running too much, you're jumping lateral in your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, they start to hurt. So I'm going to show you how we deal with that and how we make our athletes feel better. All you're going to need is a foam roller and some time. When we're rolling out, we're gonna go nice and slow, not fast, and you're just gonna be going around the muscle, going and finding what spot's tight. When you find a spot that is super tight, you're gonna just sit on it. So you're not gonna be doing a lot of fast movements. You're gonna find a spot, you're gonna just sit on it, let that pressure push into the muscle, let it help it release. And then also what you can do is if you're especially on your quads, you can put your leg through that range of motion. So you would bend that knee close to your butt and bring it back. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna make that muscle move through the range of motion, because flexion and extension is the movement of the quads. So again, we're gonna just be working through that range of motion to help free up those muscles. So again, give this a try and make sure you guys are taking your time. It shouldn't be a fast one. Try to spend a couple minutes on each side and then move on to the next muscle group.